Ellefeell Review, 2025 Legit Fashion Store or Buyer Beware. Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming every trendy fashion store is equally reliable. The surprising truth is that Ellefeell provides stylish clothing at affordable prices, but buyers need to manage expectations. Ellefeell's product range includes dresses, tops, pants, and accessories designed to follow current trends. Fabrics are decent for the price, and stitching is usually solid. You won't believe how many fashionable items you can find without paying premium prices. Shipping can be slower than expected, sometimes taking several weeks depending on location. Returns are possible, but the process requires careful adherence to their policies. Customer support exists, but response times can be inconsistent. The surprising truth is that even with minor inconveniences, many buyers are satisfied with their purchases. Before ordering, check sizing charts and read customer reviews. Photos from real buyers give the best insight into fit and quality, helping avoid surprises. In conclusion, Ellefeell is a legitimate fashion store with trendy, affordable options. Focus on reviewing product details, understanding shipping timelines, and starting with smaller purchases to ensure a positive shopping experience.